Are we in an AI bubble? Artificial intelligence stocks are soaring. Billions are being pumped into anything with AI in the name. Sound familiar? It should. This has all the markings of a classic financial bubble. So the question is, are we in an AI bubble? Or is this just the beginning? Welcome to Think Fast, where we break down complex business moves so you can stay sharp. Today we're diving deep into the hype, hope, and hard numbers behind AI's explosive rise. Section 1. What is a bubble? Define what a financial bubble is. Rapid price growth disconnected from intrinsic value. The question isn't whether AI is real, it's whether the valuation of these companies reflects reality. Section 2. What's fueling the AI surge? Nvidia's trillion-dollar leap. Nvidia isn't just selling chips, it's become the heartbeat of the AI infrastructure. Its H100 and A100 GPUs are essential for training large language models. Every major player, OpenAI, Meta, Amazon, is a customer. Their supply is limited, driving even more demand and contributing to inflated revenue expectations. Microsoft's $13 billion into OpenAI. Microsoft isn't just funding OpenAI, it's embedding ChatGPT into everything. Bing, Office, Azure. This bet is about transforming the entire productivity stack. Azure's AI services are also expanding rapidly, drawing enterprise clients who want to leverage custom models. Google's Gemini. Alphabet is pivoting hard after being caught flat-footed by ChatGPT. Gemini is a multimodal model aiming to outperform GPT-4. It's being integrated across Google Search, Docs, and Android. They're also pouring resources into DeepMind and TPU hardware for AI acceleration. Meta's LLaMA. Meta's strategy is open source dominance. LLaMA models are released to the public, allowing startups and developers to build on top of their research. They're integrating AI deeply into Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook, plus investing heavily in AI-generated content moderation and advertising optimization. Amazon's Bedrock and Titan models. AWS is enabling customers to build generative AI tools with access to foundation models via Bedrock. Titan models are Amazon's in-house answer to OpenAI, focused on e-commerce personalization, Alexa enhancements, and logistics optimization. Everyone from startups to trillion-dollar giants are in an AI arms race, but not all players are equal, and not all are profitable. Section 3. Bubble or boom? Absurd startup valuations, companies with no product or revenue raising 100 million plus rounds. Publicly traded companies rebranding or mentioning AI in earnings. Calls just to pump stock. Tech ETFs overweighting any firm remotely related to AI. AI is speeding up content creation, software development, drug discovery. Microsoft reported a jump in enterprise Azure usage thanks to AI workloads. Google saw higher cloud growth due to AI demand. AI copilots in code, GitHub Copilot, and content, Google Docs, Notion AI, are becoming part of daily workflows. AI assistants are helping sales teams, legal research, and healthcare diagnostics. This isn't theoretical anymore. Think of this like the dot-com era. The hype was real, but so were Amazon and Google. Section 4. What the smart money is doing. VCs are tightening funding for weak AI plays. Sequoia and Andreessen Horowitz are publicly emphasizing due diligence again. Hedge funds like Coatue and Tiger Global are trimming positions in overly hyped AI software plays and reallocating toward AI infrastructure and chips. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway hasn't jumped into the AI craze, but is quietly investing in AI-adjacent logistics and energy companies. Follow the money, not the headlines. Section 5. So, are we in a bubble? We're in a mini bubble within a long-term revolution. Near-term froth, long-term value, like early internet. Many startups will die, but the infrastructure and real use cases will remain and grow. Invest in fundamentals, not hype. Look for companies with cash flow, adoption, and defensible moats. Bubbles burst, but industries that change the world, they evolve. If you got value from this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone still riding the AI rocket. And remember, in business, timing is everything. Think fast.